Hello, and welcome to the exciting world of YouTube automation. If you've ever dreamed of creating captivating YouTube content with minimal effort, you're in the right place. Today, I'll introduce you to a revolutionary approach that combines the power of AI and cutting-edge tools to streamline and automate your video creation process. First, we'll look into what YouTube automation is all about. Imagine having more time to focus on your strategy and growth while your channel continually gets enriched with high-quality content. One of the incredible tools we'll talk about today is ChatGPT for script writing. Next, we'll talk about Pictory AI. Pictory is a state-of-the-art AI tool that auto-generates visual, compelling, and engaging videos with superior AI voiceover. It's about enhancing the quality and appeal of your videos, ensuring that each one captures your audience's attention. But seeing is believing, right? That's why I'll be showing you a live demo of how these tools work together to create YouTube content that stands out. Plus, as a bonus, you'll receive my free ebook on the 3 steps of monetizing automated YouTube channels. And it is packed with insights and strategies to turn your content into a revenue stream. Now, with these 3 steps, as I teach in my course, I started off with my first YouTube automation channel, and I made a few $1,000s in the first week. And after 6 months, I was up at $200,000. And I can show you how to do that in the course. So get ready to transform the way you create content and unlock the full potential of your YouTube channel with automation.
Hello, and welcome to the world of YouTube automation, your fast track to content creation. Before we get started, let me give you an auto-generated, faceless overview of YouTube automation so that you can see the difference, because I want to tell you about using artificial intelligence to automate content creation for your faceless YouTube channel. Let's take a look at what I like to call true YouTube automation, smart AI that makes content creation a breeze. Until now, what many considered automation was essentially outsourcing content development to offshore teams for script writing and video production. But today we're talking about a game-changing approach that puts real automation at your fingertips. With the advent of ChatGPT, script writing is no longer a time-consuming task. In minutes, you can have engaging scripts ready to go, tailored specifically to your audience's interests and needs. Next up is Pictory, a groundbreaking tool that transforms these scripts into visually compelling, engaging videos complete with superior AI voiceovers. This isn't just about cutting corners. It's about enhancing the quality of your content while saving invaluable time. In just a moment, you'll see a demonstration of a video that took less than 10 minutes to produce from script to final cut. This demo will showcase the remarkable capabilities of these tools and the kind of high-quality content they can generate. But let's not forget, creating great content is just the first part of YouTube automation. The second crucial phase is monetizing your channel. That's where the YouTube Fast Track course comes in. This course is designed to teach you ingenious strategies to automate marketing and affiliate revenue, turning your channel into a money-making machine. By clicking the link in the description below, you'll not only get access to this free course, but also receive the free ebook detailing the 3 steps of monetizing automated YouTube channels. So this is what true automation looks like. And next, watch a demonstration of the high-quality content you can produce with ChatGPT and Pictory. This is content with valuable information that is compelling and engaging, and that can go viral. Check it out.
Cryptocurrency, a digital or virtual forms of currency, has gained immense popularity in recent years, sparking interest in the process known as crypto mining. This process plays a crucial role in maintaining and developing the blockchain, the technology underpinning most cryptocurrencies. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore what crypto mining is, how it works, and assess its viability as a money-making venture. Understanding cryptocurrency and blockchain. To grasp crypto mining, one must first understand the basics of cryptocurrency and blockchain. Cryptocurrencies are decentralized digital currencies secured by cryptography. Blockchain is the underlying technology, a decentralized ledger recording all transactions across a network of computers. Crypto mining is the process of validating and adding transactions to a blockchain. Miners use their computing power to solve complex mathematical puzzles, a mechanism known as proof of work, POW. Successful miners are rewarded with new coins, a process that simultaneously introduces new currency into the system and incentivizes miners to maintain the network's integrity. The mining process involves 3 key steps. 1. Transaction verification. Miners verify the legitimacy of cryptocurrency transactions. 2. Solving mathematical puzzles. Miners compete to solve puzzles that validate transaction blocks. 2. The first to solve it adds the block to the blockchain. 3. Receiving rewards. The successful miner receives new cryptocurrency tokens as a reward, incentivizing continued participation in the network. Mining requires specific hardware, ranging from basic CPUs to advanced ASICs. application-specific integrated circuits. GPUs, graphics processing units, are commonly used due to their balance of efficiency and cost. The choice of hardware significantly impacts the potential profitability of mining. The profitability of crypto mining largely depends on its associated costs, primarily electricity and hardware. The high energy consumption of mining rigs can lead to substantial electricity bills, which may outweigh the rewards if not managed properly. Given the competitive nature of mining, individual miners often join mining pools to combine their computational power, increasing their chances of solving puzzles and earning rewards. While this reduces the reward for individual miners, it offers a more consistent income stream. Crypto mining involves several risks, including market volatility and regulatory changes. The increasing difficulty level of puzzles due to more miners joining the network also affects profitability. A significant concern of crypto mining is its environmental impact, primarily due to the high energy consumption and associated carbon footprint. This has led to a growing call for more sustainable mining practices. Determining whether crypto mining is profitable involves considering various factors, including the cost of electricity, the efficiency of the mining hardware, and the current market value of the cryptocurrency. With market fluctuations, what may be profitable today might not be tomorrow. Alternatives to traditional mining include cloud mining services, which allow individuals to rent mining hardware and capacity, and staking in proof-of-stake (POS) cryptocurrencies, which involves holding and supporting the network through ownership rather than computational work. The future of crypto mining may see shifts towards more sustainable practices, the impact of advancements in technology like quantum computing, and evolving blockchain technologies that could redefine the mining landscape. It's crucial to consider the legal and regulatory environment of your region, as crypto mining is viewed differently across the world. Additionally, earnings from mining may be subject to taxation, which should be factored into profitability calculations. For those interested in starting crypto mining, it's essential to conduct thorough research. Choosing the right hardware, understanding the costs involved, and estimating potential earnings are crucial steps. Crypto mining presents a complex and potentially profitable opportunity, but it comes with its own set of challenges and risks. The viability of mining as a money-making venture depends on numerous factors, including technological, financial, and regulatory considerations. As the cryptocurrency landscape continues to evolve, so too will the nature and profitability of crypto mining.
Imagine earning thousands in passive income from your very own automated, faceless YouTube channel. The opportunity is just a click away. Click the link in the description now and take the first step towards your financial freedom. Don't be left behind. Thousands of people are already creating financial success. Don't miss out on your chance to join them. Click the link in the description now and start your path to financial freedom. Your future awaits. Like this video and subscribe to learn more about making.
For more information on this and related subjects, check out our blog. Don't miss out. Take the free course and create a passive income stream today. And join our Facebook group. It's a community of like-minded people elevating their personal finances where you can get practical advice, tips, and strategies. The links are down below in the description.